A few years ago, we invested everything in a non-profit that we called Operation Sealife. Due to a few medical issues, we had to take a step back. But we are back again with a vengeance and doing it all again from scratch. So we've sold everything, we bought a retired Coast Guard vessel, we got our original seaplane back, and we are dedicated to making this a success. Come along on our journey as we achieve all of our goals of making Operation Sealife known around the world, to protector of our oceans and the sea life therein. I know that together we can make a difference. We have stopped at the Hoover Dam to actually take in some sightseeing. So we can't find the leashes piled in all the car and everything, so puppy's got to stay in the car. But we're going to go ahead and walk down.
I think we got a little more.
I guess the tourists must go inside or something, right?
Hey folks, the best way down on foot is actually behind you, back this way.
He said it's best. He said the best way down on foot is behind us that way.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. And we are already in trouble. That's
No,
pretty much par for the course.
You said stairwell?
I think right over here, maybe.
Yeah, if you head back up this way.
Oh, over here.
Yeah, just make a right. There's a staircase.
Maybe that was God talking to us. No? That wasn't God?
I don't know. Hoover Dam security.
I don't see a staircase.
Right here.
By the way, it's finally warm. I'm so happy. We are not freezing our buns off today.
Put that camera off the back of my head and get it up here, so
I'm getting up here.
I gotta pee so fucking bad.
So you think there's a squat and pee spot around here?
I don't know. See, like I have no problem. I'd climb this stuff. Like,
All day long?
yeah.
But man-made stuff
to
is...
do with anything man-made, I'm weird about.
Jack was like flipping out going across the sides of that canyon.
No,
coming
I
in.
actually was slowing down just so you get good footage.
He was slowing down so I could get good footage. Had nothing to do with freaking out about going over it.
Seems like this becomes man-made and it overhangs.
Not happy camper.
Well, it's not that I'm not happy.
Imagine pushing a wheelchair up.
Pay attention, babe.
Imagine pushing a
In a hard place. You know how many people lost their lives
building this?
building this?
Oh, countless.
Yeah. There's so many people in this concrete, it's unreal.
I mean, I think it's cool. It's a ramp. Could you imagine pushing a wheelchair up this
Where's
sucker?
the stairs he was talking about?
Well, I'm guessing this is a ramp and not stairs, but yeah, where's the elevator?
I said no bicycles. Who the hell would ride a bicycle off this? Not me. I don't care if you gave me a brand new bike and said if you ride it down through there, I wouldn't even ride it up. I'd pass out right here like a. You ever seen those goats?
Yeah, the fainting goats.
Fainting goats. I'd be me. I'd like get on that bike, ride at 4 inches, hit the brakes, pass out.
At the moment, I'm kind of wishing we would have pulled right in here instead of walked our asses all the way down here.
Yeah, it's gonna be a hell of a hike back up.
I was just saying that. I said,
think we go here and look and see. Look at the bridge. That was the bridge overpass.
oh, the big bridge that we went over coming in,
That's the. I told you.
and that's the one we have to go back out over.
See, that's the part, like if you were driving and I was sleeping, you wouldn't want to wake me up. Just let me sleep peacefully. There'd be no way I can let you drive.
Not how spectacular this is. You need to see this, baby. This is my adrenaline junkie that will do just about anything.
Except for man-made objects. I'll
Except
fly
for-
airplanes, I'll do whatever, but as soon as you put a motherfuck me.
He's sitting there saying, you better watch me because I might pass out.
I did when I was a kid, that's how I remember it.
Oh, really?
I was so scared. My dad was helping me up the stairs up Lookout Mountain,
Yeah.
and I was walking up the stairs with him. I was crying, no, Daddy, no, no, this is not good. And he's like, you're all right, son, come on. And I just went, passed out. So I don't trust myself.
Well, I don't like those big fire towers and stuff. I won't climb to the top of one of those, but it's got more to do with those little steps with the holes in between because I'm afraid I'm going to fall through them.
Do not enter, exit, exit, exit stairs.
Wrong way.
Ramp, pedestrians only, so we gotta go down here. Wait a minute, is that exit, like exit off of here?
I think it's exit off of here.
See, that's where they were walking out on that bridge, I was telling you.
Yeah, I saw that. So
Yep.
maybe let's just walk down here and see what we can see from the side.
Thought you wanted to see the...
I do. I want to see the dam, but
I think we're a long ways away from the dam.
I think we are too. I think we were supposed to drive all the way around that part here and go over to there. Well, we can see the dam from here.
That hole cut out in the mountain, those wires to go through.
Oh, yeah.
What in the Mayday is going on here?
Just get you guys some view, though. It is beautiful. I know that we're probably in completely the wrong spot. But I'm sure there's been a million people who have done the Hoover Dam on
We would
YouTube.
have to kept driving to come around. I think it's good enough, though.
Yeah, I do too. Let's get to see everything we want to do. We're not going on the tour. And like I said, I'm sure there's a million people that have done the Hoover Dam on YouTube, but none of them like we have done it.
Look at that wall.
That's a Hoover Dam.
No. The wall going along the rocks.
Oh, that's a Great Wall of China. No?
Let me throw you off to the next balcony. Smile.
It is beautiful though,
See
guys.
that crane they got picking stuff up and
Oh, yeah.
going that way and this way when it's a trolley cam. So I guess they go over there and offload stuff and bring it back over where they need it.
I mean, I can see how the view from there would be beautiful going all the way down that canyon.
Oh, this gorge would be... You want to go over there? We'll go over there.
I wouldn't mind, but I'd like to just
Come
walk out on that
stairs
side.
are right here. Here's the elevator.
Elevator. I don't know if that's going to do us any better. We still got to get up there.
Down to that level and then you walk out. You gotta walk out there. I just worry about my dog. Someone messing with it.
All right. All right. We're going to come off of camera for a minute and try to get over to the Hoover Dam the right way. Okay, guys, so we made it through the elevator, and I think we made it to the right part of the Hoover Dam. Look at their snacks and ice cream and tours and a lot of people in masks and some people without, so we're not the only ones that are bucking the system.
I don't wanna save ya, don't wanna be strangers. Let me feel like you know what to do. Leave your limitations, live and go against them. Just let go and start up something new. Cause I know that what you planned out, everything that you built up, isn't what you want. And I know the life you're living isn't that fulfilling. Let me help you out. Lay your love on me. Leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you spoke.
We gotta rub the toes of the statues. You have good luck forever
You
for
go
that.
ahead and do whatever you want to do.
You're missing the
How many people
Operation
actually do
Sealife.
it?
I know. Look how clean the toes are.
Just give me a sec.
Come with me. Come on, you want to see both views.
This work of art was designed to honor the accomplishments of the building genius of America. In the same way the pyramids represent ancient Egypt, the Colosseum represents Rome. At first glance, one is usually drawn to the massive flagpole, proudly displays the American flag and the banner.
Oh, look at that. How beautiful.
At the top of the flagpole, 142 feet above the sculpture.
Will you do a picture right here with me? All right.
Shots of they were down. We'll show you guys what we're looking at.
So I'm heading out to the center where Jack is a little bit scared to go and started to get mad at me when I was asking him to just come out to the center with me, and he was not going for it. So he's back there doing a Facebook Live video, and I am going to go get some beautiful footage from the center, and then we were going to hurry up back to our pups, get back on the road, and head back. So unfortunately, as much as I'd like to say this was a sightseeing trip around the western part of the country, it's really not. It's coming to get a seaplane in Oregon and heading back to Mississippi to get started working on it. So it is what it is. But we will be back with our bush plane to do all kinds of flying of everywhere we possibly can, and probably get in trouble being in spots that we aren't supposed to be. So I'm going to turn you guys around and get you this majestic view. That is pretty phenomenal. And then you have the Hoover Dam itself, which is just a unbelievable feat all on its own. Now I'm sure I'm gonna get in trouble because I'm gonna duck through these, which I know I'm not supposed to do, but I'm doing it anyways. And we're gonna duck through this side. Sorry. And go look at that. Just amazing. Look at where the water line was or could be. I thought you heard water running though down it all the time, but I guess since it's a power plant, you thought you'd hear water rushing, but I don't, maybe they have it off? I don't know, I'll have to look that up. I was here last time, several years ago, with my kids and my family, when all my kids were little and stuff, and I thought there was water rushing, but we'd done the whole tour and all the family things, so I have seen it all, but I love doing everything with Jack better, I won't lie. And that's no offense, kids. It was just a lot of work having 6 children with you, doing a function like everything. So those are wonderful memories, and I'm glad we all got to do them together as a family. But I'm enjoying my retirement, I won't lie. Or semi-retirement, since Operation Sealife is a full-time job. But we aren't on the clock and forced to do anything for anybody else. So I'm gonna head off of here, go grab my husband, give you one more. Well, I guess I'm not giving you a view of anything, but Hoover Dam.
Daddy, dito to bridge. Go ahead, ma'am.
Thank you.
And daddy, dito to bridge. Wala ako, solo.
She's so excited about the bridge. And let's go find my husband. Since he has my phone, I can't even call him. All right. Do you see him anywhere? That is my chance to lose my husband at the Hoover Dam. He's got my phone. I can't even go find him. I don't know why I'm supposed to go rub the toes, but I sure as heck am not going to miss out on any luck. So 100%, I'm rubbing the toes for luck or whatever I'm supposed to rub the toes for. All right, let's go find the husband. Ugh. Hey, by the way, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share all these videos, and let's make Operation Sealife happen, because together we are going to make it amazing. I know this. Where the heck did my husband go?
Keep your tongue inside your mouth. You're far too sweet to have any doubts. All them lights are in your eyes, like a fever, a fever. Don't compromise. You be you, you be you. Friday nights are fun, but only half as fun as the fights that we've begun. Shady green, we stay mean. Oh, be the coolest one they've ever seen. Scream so loud they want to quit. Get really lit, claim a hit. Go burn the house down with your fever. Friday nights are fun, but only half as fun as the fights that we've begun. Shady green, we stay mean. Oh, be the coolest one they've ever seen. Don't compromise. You be you, you be you. Don't swallow